In the poem, Digging, Seamus Heaney explores themes of family, tradition, identity, and the relationship between the past and the present. He uses vivid imagery and rich language to take us to the world he once experienced in his life, reflecting on his rural Irish heritage and the tradition of manual labour that characterises life in the Irish countryside. The poem is a reflection of Heaney's personal history and serves as a powerful analysis of the enduring power of family and tradition. Summary. The poem starts with the poet's observation of his father and grandfather working in the land, digging into the earth with spades. He describes the physical labour of the men, their skill and precision, and the sounds and smells of the earth they are working on. Heaney realizes the importance of work. Although he chooses a different path as a writer, he recognizes the importance of the work his father and grandfather do and the connection it represents to the past and to the land itself. The poem compares the work of the author with the manual labor of his forefathers, emphasizing the enduring power of family and tradition. Themes. The prominent themes in the poem, Digging, include family, tradition, identity, and the relationship between the past and the present. The poem is a reflection on the importance of family and the connections that bind us to our ancestors, establishing a sense of continuity with the past and a deep connection to rural Irish heritage. The poem also explores the relationship between manual labor and creative work, contrasting the physical labor of Heaney's father and grandfather with his own work as a writer. The poem emphasizes the importance of tradition and the enduring power of family and history in shaping our identities. Symbols. The poem, Digging, uses a few symbols to convey its themes. The spade that Heaney's father and grandfather wield is a symbol of the manual labor that characterizes life in the Irish countryside. The squat pen that Heaney uses to write is a symbol of his creative work, which he compares to digging, emphasizing the similarities between manual labor and creative work. The pen is also compared to a weapon, suggesting the power and force of his writing. Literary devices. The poem, Digging, is written in free verse with irregular line lengths and no consistent rhyme scheme. Heaney uses vivid imagery and rich language to create a sense of continuity with the past and a deep connection to his family and rural Irish heritage. He also uses metaphors and similes to compare manual labor and creative work, emphasizing the similarities between the two forms of labor.